We're back in black, people. Yes, I told you, didn't I? When, yes, I've been black, but when I come back, you'll know, no. Anyway, this is goes out to our soulmate. Soulmate pending. Most recent, Alexei, with the surname beginning with T, which one cannot pronounce because one is not Russian. Spasibo nonetheless, and Klobnicha Fields forever. Tonight you're mine completely. You know that I'm so sweetly, but now you're in sorrow in your eyes. Will you still love me tomorrow? There's something You said you loved me so sweetly, but now it's come that I'm doubting your soul. Your absence makes me grow rageful. You know, you know, the sorrows in my eyes. Will you still love me tomorrow? He loves me not. He loves me not. He's there, he's not there. He's there, he's at some other woman's house showering. Yes. Love is a losing game after all. Yes. Love is a losing game. And Hepburns are winners. We don't do losers, no. And Winehouses are poet prophetesses. Yes. Lioness rising, people. Lioness has risen. I am a champion, and you're going to hear me roar. Rah, 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 the Sun King. Yes, we know his real name, don't we? Yes, we do. Anyway, Amy and I are going to take a short reprieve now. 311. Yes, we're going to work on our guitar skills. As is the artist's life, as is the artist's way. They tried to make us go to rehab, and we said no, no, no. Yes, we've been black, but when we came back, you knew. We ain't got the time, and if our soul tribe think we're fine, they tried to make you go to prison. You said, okay, yes. Stay at home and save the corrupt NHS. Yes, Yasmin, manufacturers of the pill. I found a very interesting article very recently about some other woman that awoke paralysed completely down her one side. Very similar to what happened to our dear friend Kelly. Yes. The neurologist couldn't explain it, and they were in complete denial about their drugs being the cause. But it seems like a very happy accident that one would go back onto the contraceptive pill merely 5 days before said onset episode of demyelinating paralysis and stroke, MS, acute disseminated encephalomyelitis. Yes, very interesting, says Dr. Smith. Dr. Cloud says, yes, a very curious case of Benjamin Button. Yes, Button Moon. We're off to Button Moon. We'll follow Mr. Spoon.